Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1970 Chevy Chevelle Convertible. If you've got any questions on it, feel free to give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it around there and on a lift so that way you can look at the bottom and out on the highway as well. Now as you look across the front, you'll notice that how beautiful the chrome and stainless all is on this 70 Chevelle. It'll also give you the opportunity to look at how excellent the body lines flow here from the front to the rear. As we come on around the driver's side, it'll give you a chance to look at the door gaps. You'll notice that they're even and symmetrical here at the front fender, but also here at the quarter as well. Before we get on around the outside though, I want you to come on up and we'll take a close look at the interior. You'll notice this 70 Chevelle does feature bucket seats and console, and as we look across the dash, you'll see the round SS gauges, as well as the fact that this car is a factory AC car and it does have the power top. As we come on around, you can take a close look at the door panels and seat covers and see that they have been replaced new, and this white color scheme on the inside flows perfectly with the exterior. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You'll see how great that door shuts and fits. As we come across the back, you'll notice that the rear bumper, the emblems, and the tailpipes are all absolutely beautiful on this car as well. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'll take a step back and that'll give you an opportunity to take a real close look at this car. You'll notice that it has been finished in the base coat clear coat, and we've had it buffed and polished to this gorgeous shine that you see here today. One of the things I love the most about this 70 is the 18-inch and 20-inch billet specialty wheels that really show off the Z06 four-wheel disc brakes. You'll also notice that this does have the cowl induction hood on it. Now I know you're already in love with this 70 Chevelle, but I know you want to know what's under the hood before we get any further. So come on up and I'll pop it and we'll take a close look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. As you come up, you'll notice that this car is a 454 big block. As I alluded to earlier, you've got the factory air, but you'll also notice that it comes with the power steering and the power disc brakes, and that everything has been detailed to a high level. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 70 Chevelle, I'll get it pulled around there and we'll get it up on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Now remember, if you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call at 865-988-8088 or send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Chevelle up in there so that way you can look at the bottom, and then we'll get it out on the highway too. Now that we have this 70 Chevelle in the air, we can take a close look at the driveline, frame, and floors. It underwent a frame off restoration, so as you can imagine, everything has an amazing detail. Under the front, all the ball joints and bushings appear to have been replaced, and the 454 is mated to the Muncie 4-speed trans that goes out back to the 12-bolt posi rear end with 331 gears. For exhaust, the manifolds flow through the dual pipes and it has Flowmaster mufflers. You'll also notice the Chevelle has QA1 rear coil overs, and it's upgraded with the Corvette Z06 four-wheel disc brakes. Now before we get it on the highway, let's take another close look at the floors, and we can see that they look great and all appear to be rock solid.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.